I am at Banihal Tunnel, the gateway to Kashmir. In this program, we'll show you how challenging it is to travel on Srinagar-Jammu National Highway, particularly during freak weather conditions and frequent closure of the road due to landslides, and how new railway line that connects Kashmir with the rest of the country is going to make a difference.
As we pass through the 8.5 kilometer long Banihal Road tunnel, mountains ahead often invoke dread of landslides. Even as the four-laning project of Srinagar-Jammu highway has come a long way, geological instability of mountains continue to pose a threat of blockade every time there is rain or snow.
For last more than 2 decades, work on four-laning project of Srinagar-Jammu National Highway is going on. A lot of progress has already been made. There are a number of tunnels, viaducts and bridges that have considerably reduced the travel time between Srinagar and Jammu from over 12 hours to just 6 hours. But that is subject to fair weather. Even a little drizzle can cause disruption for hours and days on this highway. There are serious geological challenges. Construction of highway through these fragile mountains is the main reason for frequent landslides and closure of the road. The construction agencies are now using and installing this netting and rock falling barriers to prevent landslides. But as you can see, even landslides are breaching this netting and rock falling barriers, and often this road gets closed. In April it was the worst time here when large portion of this road was badly damaged. Hundreds of vehicles were also damaged and road remained closed for more than 1 week. Srinagar-Jammu National Highway is closed for last 3 days.
सुबह 6 बजे निकले तो अभी जाके यहाँ पहुँचे। गाड़ियाँ अभी हमने फ्लावर पे लगाई हुई है। कम से कम 5-6 किलोमीटर हमने पैदल सफ़र करना है।
आप उस गाड़ी में थे?
हाँ, इस गाड़ी में खिड़की तोड़ के।
ओके, खिड़की तोड़ के निकल गए।
हाँ।
कितने लोग थे गाड़ी में?
इसमें लगभग 7 आदमी।
ओके।
27 आदमी था। जब बारिश पूरा हो गया, अब गाड़ी निकलने का रास्ता नहीं था। जब खिड़की तोड़ के सब निकल गया।
सभी बच गए।
हाँ, सभी बच गए।
And it will take at least a week or so, if all goes well. Srinagar maybe Kashmir Valley will maybe again connected with the rest of the country.
मेन जो प्रॉब्लम जो आई, माना कि एक नेचुरल डिजास्टर है, मगर यहाँ मैन मेड प्रॉब्लम भी है जो इंसानों ने गलती की है। नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटीज़ ने गलती की है जब इसको न्यूली जो ये आगे जो आपका ये फ्लाईओवर जो बनाया इन्होंने, तो ये पुराना एग्जिस्टिंग नाला था। इस नाले की कलवर्ट यहाँ पर एग्जिस्ट थी और जो कि यहाँ 30, 40, 50 साल पहले बनी हुई थी। पानी उससे आराम से जाता है। जब यहाँ पियर की फाउंडेशन निकाली गई, मलबे का इधर उधर कर दिया गया, ये भूल ही गई कि ये नाला भी है, इसका आउटलेट बंद कर दिया गया।
The highway authorities are now working on realignment of the road through tunnels and viaducts to circumvent landslide-prone areas.
Despite challenge, four-laning of Srinagar-Jammu National Highway has eased travel for people to a great extent. Many believe after overcoming geological vulnerabilities and completion of Banihal Ramban section of this highway, travel between Srinagar and Jammu will be reduced to just around 4 hours. But even before that can be achieved, rail connectivity to Kashmir is redefining travel. It is an engineering marvel. I am taking you to the rail journey, the first train to Kashmir. How Vande Bharat is connecting Kashmir with the rest of the country.
मां भारती का वर्णन करते हुए हम श्रद्धा भाव से कहते आए हैं, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी, ये अब रेलवे नेटवर्क के लिए भी हकीकत बन गया है। उधमपुर, श्रीनगर, बारामूला, ये रेल लाइन प्रोजेक्ट ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है, ये जम्मू कश्मीर के नए सामर्थ्य की पहचान है।
इस रेल के ख्वाब बहुत लोगों ने देखे, यहां तक कि कश्मीर को बाकी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ने का ख्वाब अंग्रेजों ने भी देखा था, लेकिन वो पूरा कर नहीं पाए। उनका ख्वाब था कि उड़ी झेलम के किनारे जो है वो रेल लाके कश्मीर को बाकी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ें, लेकिन आज जो अंग्रेज पूरा नहीं कर पाए वो आपके हाथों पूरा हुआ और जम्मू कश्मीर, कश्मीर की वादी को बाकी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ दिया गया।
As the first train set out for Srinagar from Katra, a day after Prime Minister inaugurated it, the railway is already flooded with ticket demands. The first train was crowded with all available seats occupied, as people from different parts of the country wanted to become part of this historic and memorable journey. Now Katra to Srinagar is just a 3-hour journey.
First train from Katra to Srinagar is about to start. It will take us just 3 hours. Actually, history in making first commercial train. And I'm also feeling lucky to be on this train. Well, train has just started and it has entered first tunnel. And this journey is more about underground than overground, because most of the journey till Banihal is through tunnels. This trail has breached the barriers, Himalayan barriers, the Himalayan mountains, which were actually creating deep sense of separation in Kashmir. That has now changed. And there were psychological barriers, there were physical barriers, and it was creating that sense because road would often get closed because of the rains. But now Kashmir will not remain cut off from the rest of the country. What made you actually to be part of this? Is this a train itself?
No, it's not a train, it's a history. History is being created. And we were waiting for last 2-3 months, and I was tracking this project, and I was waiting for inauguration. And since we have our summer vacation on, so we thought like earlier we will go to Vaishno Devi first, and after that we will take this train, and then only we'll reach Kashmir.
When did you book the ticket?
I booked it on 4th of June itself. At 10:30 I searched.
Okay,
It was,
even before, 2 days before
Yeah,
it was launched by Prime Minister.
when I saw that, when I came to Jammu, no, that time only I saw a placard showing that it is going to start it on 6th. So I just thought, okay, let me check if the tickets are available or not.
So what it means for any ordinary Kashmiri that this train, because there was sense of remoteness, sense of separation, because itne pahad beech mein sadak would get closed and all.
Definitely it will connect the country better. We will feel more connected in terms of transport as well as culturally also. Now I can see the enthusiasm in the people that it's not going to be the end of it, and a lot of tourists are going to come, definitely.
Right.
I can sense that.
Basically, I have been waiting for this project for a long time. If you look, I kept on daily, checking the YouTube, what is the update of this project. And finally, today we got a push. I hope that, now this Vande Bharat, this route will again give a push toward tourism.
Do you think this train has actually removed those fears of Pahalgam, horror of Pahalgam? Pahalgam?
Yes, when we see a lot of personnel, defense personnel, a lot of security guards, all Indians here, you here.
Yeah.
So there's nothing to get scared.
There's nothing to worry,
Yes, nothing
nobody
to worry,
can
nothing to
scare
worry.
us, and that's
Yes,
what
yes.
actually people have said after Pahalgam incident. Let me also show you the other side and show you the security. Let me show you. This is the security. There are commandos of the Railway Protection Force. Commandos have been. They are here. They are part of this journey to ensure safety of this train, because train safety comes first.
बहुत खुशी है हम लोग
और आप ही सुरक्षा दे रहे
जी अपने सुरक्षा को भरपूर अंजाम देने का हम लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं, जिससे यात्री अपने को सुरक्षित महसूस कर सके।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, जयकारा वीर बजरंगे, भारत माता की जय।
This is going to be the most memorable birthday celebration for 6-year-old who has turned 6-year-old Moksh. They are just celebrating. This is birthday cake here. Moksh, आपको birthday मुबारक. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
So was it planned to celebrate his birthday on this first journey of Vande Bharat train to Kashmir?
नहीं, हमारा कोई पहले से प्लान नहीं था। हम तो माता रानी के दर्शन करने आए और अचानक हमें पता चला ये ट्रेन शुरू हो गई।
तो कब टिकट ली?
मैंने 5 को टिकट ली।
तो उद्घाटन से पहले ही?
हाँ, उद्घाटन से पहले टिकट बुकिंग, जैसे काउंटर खुला मैंने चेक किया तो वो टिकट बन रही थी, तो मैंने टिकट ले लिया। फिर मेरी पत्नी ने प्लान किया कि एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रिज इस पे आएगा, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ब्रिज है वो, तो उस पे केक काटेंगे इसका जन्मदिन। हमने वही केक काटा, दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे ब्रिज पे हमने इसका केक काटा और इसका जन्मदिन मनाया। इसके लिए माता रानी का शुक्रभार है हमारे ऊपर।
आपका कहाँ से आप आए हैं?
हम यूपी से वाराणसी, यूपी वाराणसी से आए हैं।
और ये मन बनाया कि बच्चे का बर्थडे यहाँ मनाना है
जी।
ट्रेन में
एकदम मतलब वैसे तो प्लानिंग पहले से नहीं था, अचानक से परसों ट्रेन की टिकट बुक हो गई।
तो पहले प्लान था आपको कश्मीर आने का?
हाँ, पहले से ही प्लान था। माता रानी का दर्शन, बच्चे के बर्थडे के लिए माता रानी का दर्शन करके फिर हम लोग कश्मीर 1 हफ्ते के लिए घूमने जाएंगे। और फिर बीच में अभी परसों पता चला कि ये ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो रहा है और मोदी जी आके उद्घाटन कर रहे हैं। हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले टिकट कराया और अपने बेटे का सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट दिया।
And there cannot be better gift for a child than this, celebrating birthday in the historic train journey, first train to Kashmir.
हमने दुनिया का सबसे ऊंचा चिनाब ब्रिज क्रॉस किया, अंजी ब्रिज देखा। मतलब भारत के लिए बहुत ही गौरवशाली ये मूवमेंट है, हमारे लिए भी बहुत ही हम खुश हैं कि हम इस वंदे भारत ट्रेन का हिस्सा बने हैं फर्स्ट टाइम में, और ये हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत गर्व।
Before integrating Kashmir with the rest of the country in true sense through this rail, it's more important to integrate Srinagar with Jammu, and this train is actually doing that. You could have never thought that kids who live in Jammu and large number of people here from Jammu who have made this a point to come to Srinagar today through this first historic Vande Bharat train, Kashmir train. Let me talk to these kids. Your good name?
Sir, my name is Ishita Sharma.
Okay.
I am from Akhnur.
Okay.
So we are traveling to Kashmir now, and I am very much excited, and it feels very excited and surreal to travel in Vande Bharat train, as the facilities provided in this train are amazing, excellent, and I will be very grateful and thankful to our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for providing us this much excellent facilities, and I am very much happy for this, and we are super duper excited.
So you are super duper excited, and had you ever thought to make it this journey before? Like
so
this?
we were not planning to go to Kashmir as because of the Pahalgam attack, but just because of Vande Bharat train, we were very much excited to travel in this train and check the facilities of this train. So we just decided that we should travel and check the facilities, and they are just excellent, amazing.
People are really excited to travel through this train, the first train, and become part of the history. And I'm joined by someone who has cancelled his air ticket.
So like we finally came to know that Vande Bharat and train finally from Katra to Srinagar is going. So our air tickets from Delhi to Srinagar were already pre-booked.
Okay.
What I did yesterday, and I wanted to be part of this, experience, to be part of this journey. I sent my wife and 17 months baby through, flight yesterday. Booked my Rajdhani at 3 p.m., which leaves just 4 hours after that. And I booked likewise this. So I actually did all of this to ensure that I get, I come on board onto this train. It's just because of the experience, because we are aware it's been 20 plus years that the project has started. There are 36 plus tunnels which are there. We talk about the Chenab Bridge, the arch bridge is of the height of 350
we
meters.
have reached Banihal, and it is the only
smoothest
station which stop for this train. Only stop between Katra and Srinagar.
Yeah, if we compare it with, like, I studied in Delhi University, so I recall the days when we used to take JKSRTC sleeper. Many times it was, light rain and still, the road would get blocked and we had to spend night. I'm, recalling that nostalgia.
Yeah. The sense of getting that feeling of getting stranded to, reaching in
to
just
the
3
smooth.
hours.
Absolutely wonderful. Not, could not be compared. It's a benchmark, very well achieved, a marvel in engineering which the world is calling right now.
मैं भारतीय सेना से सूबेदार एस.के. पांडे हूँ।
अच्छा।
और ये मैं उधमपुर में पोस्टेड हूँ और आज ये मौका मिला कि मुझे वंदे भारत में यात्रा करने के लिए, और बड़ा ही सुकून है। और इस यात्रा का मेन मकसद है कि हमारी जीत, ये भारत की जीत और ये मोदी जी की जीत और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जीत, आतंकवाद पे जीत। और मैं इसे यही बोलूँगा कि ये बहुत ही बड़ी उपलब्धि है, और मोदी जी का और पूरे देश का और भारतीय सेना का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा।
Well, our 3-hour journey from Katra to Srinagar is over. It is truly memorable and historic. Thank you very much for your support. And we are just get into Srinagar railway station. As you can see, all these people coming out of the train. And this is indeed historic. And as you can see, so many people shouting slogans as they reach Srinagar station. You just cannot explain the excitement in words. This train has really replaced remoteness of Kashmir with proximity, and sense of separation and psychological barriers have been completely removed, and this is something people have been waiting for generations, and finally the dream has been realized. It has come true today as the first train, Kashmir train, Vande Bharat train, has reached Srinagar.